Okay, today we're going to talk about verb tenses. There are regular and irregular verbs. Each verb has a built-in function that tells when the action takes place. This is what we call its tense. Tense means time. The simple verb tenses. There are 3 simple verb tenses. They are past tense, present tense, and future tense. Present tense verbs show what is happening now. They could be singular or plural. He walks, we walk. Remember, we studied this a while ago where the S goes with the singular in the verb form. So she runs has an S while they run does not because they is more than one. All right, past tense. A past tense verb shows what has already happened. We walked yesterday. They ran earlier. So your verbs are walked and ran. Future tense. A future tense verb will show what will happen in the future. It will use helping verbs shall or will. He will shop online. Jerry will go to the store later. Will shop and will go are your verbs. All right, let's look at some more examples. We have sit. Sit is the simple present tense. Will sit is your simple future tense. And checked is your simple past. Notice how checked has the ed added at the end. Regular past tense verbs add ed at the end. All right, regular versus irregular verbs. Verbs are divided into 2 groups, regular verbs and irregular verbs. A main verb is considered a regular verb if the past tense form of the verb ends in ed. So walk becomes walked and jump becomes jumped. Irregular verbs. Irregular means not regular. The prefix "ir" means not. A main verb is not regular or irregular if it does not form a past tense verb ending in ed. It is a different sort of spelling change. So, speak becomes spoke, give becomes gave, and run became ran. How to decide if a verb is regular or irregular? Look only at the main verb. Decide if the past tense of the verb is made by adding ed or if it's a spelling change. Compare the present form and the past tense to confirm. So let's look at some more examples. We have eat. The present tense form is eat. The past tense is ate. It is made past tense by spelling change, so it is an irregular verb. Will cry. Present form is cry. Past tense is cried. We had to add ed, so it's a regular verb. It does have a little bit of a spelling change, but we don't count the Y to I as a spelling change. And then we have blow, blew. There was a spelling change, so it's irregular. All right, your turn. Write down the following verbs and determine if it is a regular verb or an irregular verb. Write regular or irregular after each in your notebook. So the verbs that we're using are play, drink, and show. We will check these in class. Make sure you write regular or irregular, not just R or I. All right, I look forward to seeing your answers.